Hi guys, so Kim out again at Kingsbridge, just with another stunning car. Look at that, Polestar 2. Probably the best one on the market, finished in the snow paint. Just looks stunning. Loads and loads of options on this performance pack, giving it an enhanced brake horsepower. Also slightly enhanced range. Got your pilot pack, which is your 360 camera, lane assist, LEDs. So it's got your parking sensors there as well. It's also got your plus pack, which is your heated seats, Harman Kardon sound system, panoramic sunroof. I mean, it's just beautiful. Not had it long, to be fair, and a lot of interest, as you do. Look at it. I mean, it's just stunning. It's got a full service history, documented with Polestar on the car as well, which I'll go and show you. So, what a nice place to be. There's your service, so I've had that already on there, so you can see it's been done and it's due next year. Obviously got a whole load of other stuff, as you can see. There's your Harman Kardon. I mean, it just is. I can feel the heated seats. Wireless, which is there. So I mean, look, I mean, it's only got 11,200 miles on it. So look, I mean, you're not really going to get a better one. It'd be a shame for you to miss out on it. Give us a call. Also available at Kingsbridge, we've got your ceramic coating, which is a kind of a paint correction to start with, full machine polish, getting all the fallout off, and then obviously doing the ceramic coating. We've also got dash cams available on this one, which are fantastic, front and rear. Extended warranty with the car. So yeah, I mean, you can see it's absolutely stunning. And there you go. Also, if you want a tracker or a ghost fitted to them, we can do that as well. But you know, we can talk about that. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.